Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to channel V8X, where power meets luxury and every ride gets the respect it deserves. Today, we're stepping into the future. This is the new 2026 Lexus NX in pearl white, and trust me, Lexus did not come to play. Intro, height build. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you already know. This SUV means business. Clean. Sharp. Aggressive. The 2026 Lexus NX doesn't just roll in. It dominates the road. That pearl white finish? Pure class. Under sunlight or city lights, it hits different, premium, bold, unmistakably Lexus. Front view praise. Let's start with that front view. Those razor-sharp LED headlights stare right through you. The bold Lexus grille sits wide and confident, like it owns the street. This isn't just design, this is presence. Pull up in this NX, and people notice. Every single time. Side view praise. Now slide to the side profile. Look at those lines, smooth, muscular, perfectly balanced. The stance is athletic, the wheels scream performance. And the body flows like it was carved by wind itself. This angle alone could sell the car. Back view praise. And then there's the rear. Sleek LED taillights. Wide shoulders. A finish that says luxury but whispers danger. This is the kind of back view that makes other SUVs nervous at a red light. Interior/dashboard praise. Step inside. And welcome to your luxury command center. Premium leather. A fully digital cockpit. A massive infotainment display that feels straight out of a concept car. Every button, every stitch, designed to make the driver feel in control. This is where comfort meets technology, and they shake hands. Engine plus performance. Under the hood, Lexus delivers smooth power with refined performance. Quiet when you want it. Responsive when you need it. Whether you're cruising the city or pushing down the highway. The 2026 NX stays calm, composed, and confident. Drone/highway/night angles, midsection praise. From a drone view, this SUV looks sculpted, perfectly centered, perfectly balanced. On the highway, it glides like it was born for long drives and fast lanes. And at night? Those lights cut through the dark like a blade. Reflections, shadows, city glow, this NX owns the night scene. Every angle hits. Every shot sells the dream. Price mention. Now let's talk numbers. All this luxury, all this tech, all this presence. And the 2026 Lexus NX starts around $42,000, depending on trim and options. That's right. Premium SUV energy, without supercar pricing. Final hype push. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement. It's for people who want luxury without losing edge. For drivers who want comfort but still crave attitude. The 2026 Lexus NX in pearl white delivers all of it. Style, power, tech, and pure road presence. Ending channel call. If this SUV got your heart racing, you already know what to do. Subscribe to channel V8X. Hit that like button. And stay locked in for more next-level automotive content. This was channel V8X. And we'll see you in the fast lane. Fire oncoming automobile.